Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video you're going to learn the deductions under section 80C to 80U. It's very important while you are studying the chapter income from salary or income from other source. In income from salary you are just studying only the deductions which is coming under section 80C. But when you are studying this chapter income from other source, the whole deduction is very much important. So let's get into the video. Here I have written the sections income tax deductions for financial year 2019-2020. Financial year means previous year that we have already discussed in other video. So here I had written the limit for financial year 2019-2020. It means the assessment year 2020-21. So in section 80C we are seeing 5 deductions. So the exemption limit must be rupees 1,50,000. The amount cannot go beyond 1,50,000. If it exceeds 1,50,000, we must take 1,50,000 to the outer column. So the deductions coming under section 80C is the first one, life insurance premium, then recognized provident fund, that is RPF. The third one is public provident fund, PPF. Fourth one, repayment of house building in advance. This is building advance. The fifth one is deposit in Suganya Samriddhi account. For this whole 5 deductions, the amount must be, the limitation is rupees 1,50,000, and the amount if exceeds 1,50,000, we must take 1,50,000 to the outer column. The deductions coming under section 80D is medical insurance premium. In case of self or spouse, health or dependent, children up to rupees 25,000 plus parents rupees 25,000. It means in case of children or any other people, the limitation is rupees 25,000, and in case of senior citizen, it is rupees 50,000. I hope it's clear for you. The next section is deductions under section 80DD. Here the deductions coming is medical treatment of a dependent with disability. The disability is, normal disability is rupees 75,000, but in severe disability the limitation is 1,25,000. So the next section is deductions which is coming under section 80E. So the deduction is interest paid on loan taken for higher education. So 100% of interest paid up to 8 assessment year. The next deduction is deductions under section 80EE. Here it is given that the interest paid on loan taken for residential house up to rupees 50,000 is the limit for this section. The next section is deductions which is coming under section 80G, donation to approved funds or institution. So let's move to the limit. 100% or 50% of donated amount or qualifying limit. The next one is allowed donation in cash up to rupees 2,000. I'll make you clear for which and all we should take 100% or 50% of the donation amount. So the next section which is coming under section 80TTA, interest earnings on savings account, the limitation is 10,000. So the next section is deductions which is coming under section 80TTB. In case of senior citizen, the interest income earned on deposit, the limitation is rupees 50,000. The last deductions which is coming under section 80U is disabled individuals. For normal disability, the limitation is rupees 75,000, and for severe disability, the limitation is rupees 1,25,000. I hope the deductions which is coming under section 80C to 80U is clear for you. So now I am going to take the section 80G particularly. So here I have mentioned the 100% or 50% of the donation amount. So I'll tell you which and all we should take 100% or 50% of the donation. Here I have written the donation can be classified as follows. The first one, no limit donation where deduction is 100%. So there are 6 items over here. The first one, National Defense Fund, National Sports Fund, National Cultural Fund, National Children Fund, Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, Chief Minister's Relief Fund. So in these 6 items we can take full amount. For example, if the amount given for National Defense Fund rupees 20,000, we can take full amount. So the next one is No limit donation where deduction is 50%. For that, 4 items are be given. The first one is Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund. Second one, Prime Minister's Dot Relief Fund. Third one, Indira Gandhi Memorial Fund. And fourth one, Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. So in these 4 items, if it's mentioned in the question, we are only taking 50% of the donation amount. The third one, with limit donation where deduction is 100%. First one, donation made to government or local authority. Donation paid by any company to Olympics Association. Donation made to any institution for promoting family planning. The fourth one, with limit donation where deduction is 50%. The first one is donation to any approved charitable institution. The second one, donation to notified temple, mosque, gurudwara, church. The third one, donation made in other places notified by central government to be historical or artistic importance to renovation of such place. So I hope you guys you like this video, you understand this video. So if you have any doubt, comment below, I'll clear you. So if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.